Hey everyone, this is Nick from AI Storytellers. I have a great little video to share with you. Something I came across and it works flawlessly. It's called ChatGPT shortcuts, and I've been able to use a couple of them here. And in my community on school AI Storytellers, I will give away the full 100 texts, I guess you call them, instructions, and they're in filmmaking, bookmaking, advertising, all kinds of different genres or different categories that you can use these with. I'm going to show you three of them today, and let's take a look. So the first one is it's simple, right? Create an image using character turnaround. I upload an image of my a film that I'm working on. This is a still image of that. And then obviously there are two characters here. There's a little blue elephant and a giraffe. And the turnaround basically is character sheet. It gives you a nice character turnaround of the elephant and also of the giraffe. Now, for me, because I know my character pretty much better than anybody, I noticed that on the back view, the ears are supposed to be blue, not pink, just like they are here in the three-quarter back. So you can edit it. When you hit this edit button, you tell it the instructions to do, and it will fix it. So I did that already previously, and there it is right there. Purpose book. I took the same exact image and it created a full spread and mocked it up on a hardcover book in the background. You can see the pages there, and there's the hardcover edge, and then it created some fake words here that don't apply to my story, but it's still kind of interesting that you can actually do that. If I wanted to actually take the real story here and put that in there to give us like a little teaser of the upcoming story, I really like the way it made the gutter a little bit darker than and it's also curved here, as you can tell. I don't know if you can see that real close. It's curved and it's a little darker, showing the seam. And it's really a beautiful little spread there. So obviously the characters or names are wrong. I wasn't expecting this, so I didn't really put that in there. And so I went in and said, well, I want to edit this. And so I edited it. I changed the given names to Blink, Look Down, and Don't Worry, Little One, said Charlie. It fixed it perfectly, just the way I wanted to do. And that is our second phrase that we used. The next one, I said, well, let's make this a poster. And this is a very, very cool image right here of Blink and his father. We call him Papa. And he is defending his baby, and the predator is in the background. Now, what's really interesting, I noticed when filming this, I noticed that there is a mistake in my original artwork. You can see here where it goes up here way too pretty much chops them up in half. And I didn't even notice that until I used this feature and I saw it up close. And so I didn't even see that when I wrote this instruction. I said create an image using movie poster, and then I wanted to add the title is The Light Between Us, and add a film by Nick Nabelsky, make it vertical 916, and add coming soon. And it did a wonderful, wonderful job of a movie poster as it is right there. And I think what I really liked about it is look at the difference. It actually enhanced it. It brought the lion closer, as you can see there. It brought him really close. And now the other thing is it fixed the mistake that was in my original. So that mistake now is gone. It's here. His arm is reaching forward and clinging on to his father. If I wanted to make it one thing better, I could have make it even more fierce looking. Is I could edit this. Let me get my face back where you can see it. I could edit here. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller so you can see that. I'm gonna edit this, and I'm gonna say have the lion roaring, showing its teeth to look more menacing. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And so I have over 100 of these phrases, and they're available for free on my community. It's a free school on school. It's called AI Storytellers. The link is down below. And you can get access to all of these little phrases. Now, I asked OpenAI, I asked it, what is the official stance here? Are these official cheats from OpenAI? And they said, no, they are not. It was developed by a third party, but there are some, about 20 of them, that ChatGPT knows. Oh, look at that. So much better. So much better. In fact, the background is even more, I want to say menacing, but it's more dramatic, right? And so that looks like an imminent threat, and it's a perfect display right there for our movie poster. So that's it for today. Real short video. I will be uploading more videos to show you more of these great cheat sheets, and join AI storytellers for great filmmaking advice and also learning a lot about AI filmmaking. Bye bye.